6-0. Still first quarter action. Chargers first and 10 at the 38. And we got 37.5. Here we go. Well, almost intercepted down here, but dropped. So, second down and 10. Surprised they came out and threw the ball after the last drive where they dominated running most of it all. Like, they had one pass. We got second down here. Field stack, no wideouts this time. Oh. Pretty good run. Solid, let's see. Ball going to be marked. Marked at the 43.5. It's pretty much a 5-yard gain. It's third down. Through. Looks like a first down at the 49 if it's marked there. Let's see where they mark it. Yep, first down. Nice solid run off the left tackle side. Of the offensive formation, right side of the defensive formation. Here we come. Let's see what we got this time. Once again, no wideouts. Stack back here. Looks like both teams have. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, they got a couple of wings here. Alright. Let's see, 24 went in motion. And one went right up the middle. Looks like about 3 yards to 48 across the 50 there. Chargers first down before, so working on their fourth one now. And now they had the 37-yard touchdown run earlier. 24 went in motion and grabbed the quarterback. Quarterback still comes out wide, and he's running. He's running. Ooh, first down at about the 30. No sign of anything else. Very good run by the quarterback after colliding with the guy who went in motion. Recovered from a slight collision with him. Very well. Thank you. Right in here. First down, it's in the fifth first down. Hello. How are you, Tony? Oh, good. I was trying to call you last night, but all I got was your answering machine. Oh, pretty good. Pretty good. Well, early in the year, Paige hurt her knee up there, and that's going to require surgery. Then later on here, another patient kicked her good knee, but that seems to have recovered. So at one point, she had 2 knees, and it's been and both at work, both patients up there in Greater Plains. that going on between that and then her mom now. Her mom seems to be, I don't know, she made a couple more of her famous phone calls today. She's been going up the rocker. Yeah, it's sad. 82. Yeah, I think the both dementia and schizophrenia. Yeah, although we finally got another person down there Friday, and we're trying to work on getting her in nursing home. So hopefully the sooner the better. Yeah, her brother lives down in Elmira, and her sister lives up here in Edinburgh. So, well, the brother was down there, but the thing is, everybody's working still. There isn't anybody retired, so it isn't like anybody's got time to do 24/7 care. I mean, we got space, but I'd be afraid to leave her alone at our house because she's so confused. I think that could come home and find the house burned down or something. So, I mean, she already had a thing in her apartment down there where she left the oven on and came back and found out she left the oven on. So. Yeah, definitely. Yes. Well, not a heck of a lot. I mean, thank goodness the football season's over with. Hello. I'm down here.